We'll guide you through how to make netherite ingots in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Netherite ingots are super useful as you can go and make tools with them. So yeah, super useful to have. To go and do this, you're going to go and need 4 pieces of gold ore. You can find this by mining in the overworld. But you're also going to go need ancient debris, and you can find this in the nether by mining or just by exploring. And so then what we need to do is we now need to go and smelt both of these. So what we're going to do is go and put a minimum of 4 pieces of ancient debris into a furnace and a minimum of 4 pieces of gold ore into a furnace like so. Now go and wait. After they finish, you can then go and collect the gold ingots and also the netherite scrap like so. And then all you need to do is go and open up a crafting table and you can go and put in your 4 gold ingots like so, then your 4 pieces of netherite scrap. And as you can see, that will give you 1 netherite ingot. And that's it. We can then go and use this for tools and armor, and of course you can go and make more as well. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video for more. I hope you found this useful.